There are pests in the flower pot. Don't burn with fire, don't pour garlic and chili water either. They are all treating the symptoms rather than the root cause. Just sprinkle small granulate water-soluble fertilizer into the pot. Water is absorbed by the plant after that. Whether it's insects or eggs in the soil. Adds bed bugs, small black insects. All disappeared. Use small granular water-soluble fertilizer safely and effectively. All plants can use it when the rose grows such small buds. It is necessary to prevent fungal diseases in time. Otherwise, new shoots will not develop. Spray some of this swabbing hang. No need to add water, spray directly. One spray can prevent and cure various diseases such as black spot, powdery mildew and track-nose gray mold. This way the newly grown leaves will be clean. And it is a popular spray, like camellias, hydrangeas, or cards at home, etc. You can spray it all.